Okay, I'm going to create a math model to help solve this problem. So let's go ahead and look at the problem, see what it says, and see what we need to do to figure it out. As a part of his workout, Stu runs 250 yards forwards and then runs 50 yards backward in the opposite direction. The process takes him 4 minutes. How long will it take for Stu to reach 2,000 yards from where he started? Okay, so this is a good problem for a math model. I don't know if there's any other way I can solve this without trying to do it. Now let's say, for instance, that he is running in a straight line. And since we'll say he's running in a straight line, I'm going to kind of make a line, number line of sorts to help me out. So it says that he runs 250 feet forward. So let's start here. We'll say that this point here on our number line is 0 feet. We'll say this is 0 feet. And let's say that he goes forward to, we're doing yards. I want to change that then to yards, even though it is kind of messy. I don't have any white out. I want to make sure I have the correct unit of measure. So I'm going to say that point there is 0 yards. Now I'm going to have him going forward. When I have the fellow going forward until he gets to this point here, which is 250 yards forward. So he went forward 250 yards, and then after he hits 250 yards, he runs back 50 yards. So, and this is not drawn to scale, this model isn't, it's just to help me figure out my problem. So I'm going to go this far, and we'll say at this point here, he has went back negative 50 yards. And I put negative because he went back 50. And so after he goes back 50, he's going to be at a point right here, which would be 200 yards. So if it takes him 4 minutes, to do this, so 200 yards per 4 minutes, how long will it take him to reach 2,000 yards from where he started? So if he does it like this and it takes him 4 minutes to go 200 yards, what I'm going to do then is come up with an equivalent equation. An equivalent ratio. So 200 yards per 4 minutes, I'm going to say 200 yards per 4 minutes, and I want to find out how long it takes him to get 2,000 yards. What did I do to 200 to get 2,000? I multiplied by 10. So if I multiply this numerator by 10 to get 2,000, I must multiply my denominator by 10. 4 times 10 gives me 40 minutes. So, I'm not done. What you see here is the model. What you see here is the equivalent ratios to help me find my answer. This is my answer. My answer is, it takes Stu 40 minutes to reach 2,000 yards from where he started. And I'll write that down. So I'm going to say it takes Stu 40 minutes to reach 2,000 yards from where he started. Now this is a math problem where a model really helped me out. It really helped me out. I made my number line, I had my starting point, I went to 250, then he goes back 50 yards, which gave me 200. After I had that 200 yards per 4 minutes, it was so easy then to figure out by using an equivalent ratio how to get to the amount of time it took him to do 2,000 yards. I hope that this video has helped you.